There are ideas that instantly give you a feeling that they are significant. These ideas need to fly and conquer the world. Eniram's idea of a solution for marine use that would analyze vessel-specific information and save considerable sums of money through reduced fuel consumption was one of those ideas. It needed wings before it was born. Funded by Finnish industry investment, the Norwegian investment company Ferd Venture, and Conor Venture Partners, this idea became one of the fastest growing and most promising clean tech companies in the world after just a few years in business. Today, the company that was given wings by 3 investors has offices all over the world and continues to expand.
There are 2 types of funding, really. There's smart money, and smart money is where an investor puts in cash and takes an active interest in the business and helps nurture it along the way. And there's dumb money, which is really where an investor puts money in and is looking for a quick return on its investment. We're very fortunate here. We have smart investors, so we have Finnish Industry Investments, Conor and Ferd, who all take an active interest in what we're doing. Without funding, we wouldn't have got to where we are today. Funding is required in an early stage to get us to market, and as you can appreciate, we have a global market, so it's quite expensive to take our message to that market. Getting the right funding at the right time, we're in a position to demonstrate that we've got proof points in the market, means that we can take the funding at the point where we can accelerate our growth.
Finnish Industry Investment is a long-term investor, and they have a lot of experience in the ICT sector, which is a key of our investment focus. They are also the key investor in the fund size and also a cornerstone investor of both of our funds.
Many venture capital firms have a fund life, and that means that at the end of the fund life that there's certain obligations that they have to their investors to make certain decisions about the life of the company. Finnish Industry Investments doesn't have a fund life, and so they can take a longer term view of the business, which is very encouraging for us. Our particular investment manager has a broad perspective on business in general, and he encouraged us to take a long-term view, and he's also aware of the complexities of running a business like Eniram.
We have had a great cooperation with Finnish Industry Investment since the inception of Conor. We have done several investments together, and we are constantly looking at new opportunities together.
Our market is those ships that you're at 10,000 ships that burn around $10 million worth of fuel per year or more. As you can appreciate, it's quite a conservative market. However, we've grown this business by 10 times in the last 4 years, and we expect to double again in the next 2 or 3 years.